Hi guys, it's Tammy, and I think I'm going to make a rather simple card using the Say What Christmas Critters from Lawn Fawn set. This is going to be one of my cards that I'm making for Christmas. I'm trying to do at least one a week. So let's go ahead and get started. I think the first thing I want to do is make a card base using just Whisper White cardstock. I'm cutting this at 5 1/2. And then I'm going to score it at 4 1/4. And I will just burnish that edge with my bone folder. And then I simply just want an image on here saying something. So I'm going to go ahead and try to center an image. And I'm really looking at this llama. It says fa la 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 llama. I just think it's cute. So I think I'm going to go with that one. I'll take the llama and I'll take the little quote box. I'm going to use my Misty for this. Actually, I should do it this way because it's 5 1/2. So 5 1/2 is 2 3/4 is halfway, and then this is 4 1/4, so 2 1/8. So about right here, and here is the center. So I'm going to put my little llama maybe there. This opens this way, right? Yes. And then, oh, that wasn't good. So I said that the halfway point is 5 1/2, so it's 2 3/4. So this is the halfway point. And then this one is 2 1/8. So that's the halfway point. I might need to go a little bit more this way. Okay, then I'm just going to go ahead and stamp this. Hopefully this looks as nice as it does in my head on the card. I hate it when I'm second guessing myself, but sometimes you just don't know. And you know what? The worst thing that you do is you figure something else out for the card. There, that's way better. And then I want to put the fa la la llama in the little bubble. I think I might do that in green. I don't know what made me think of that just now, but something came up to me and said, do it in green. Did you see it? I think it was the llama. One more time just to make sure. So this was Cucumber Crush if anyone is interested. And then what I think I'm going to do is use one of these stitched scallop squares and stitch out a frame from the red cardstock and put it around the llama. Well, around the whole thing. I want to use the smallest frame I can to get it all, but I don't know if this will do it or not. Well, it might. Yeah, that might be all right. Okay, so let me go ahead and get out my Big Shot. And I want to cut this. I think twice. Oh, sorry guys. So I have it in here, so I'm going to just take my little poker tool and get it started so it can come out of there. And then I'm going to cut it again. I might even do it 3 times. I have the room on the red, so why not, huh? Oh, goodness. I'm the worst at that. I apologize. Okay, so there's that one, and that one. And then I don't think I'll need these. I really should have made sure this looked all right before I cut out 3 of them. Because if it doesn't, I'll have to get a whole new piece of red out. Dang that. Oh well. Oh, and it does. It looks fine. Okay, good. All right. So now what I'm going to do is pile these on top of each other. So I'm just going to take a line of glue on each side of the square and then put one on top of it. Like that. Then I'll do it one more time. Because the card itself doesn't have much bang to it, it's just kind of a basic, plain kind of a card, but I think it's really kind of cute, so I wanted to give it a little bit of something something, and maybe this will do it. And I do need to color this guy. And I don't think I'm going to use an alcohol ink because I really don't want it to go through if I can help it. So I think I'm going to use my inks from Stampin' Up. So it's just these, but I'm going to put them off here to the side. They're noisy in this little thing, aren't they? Shush. Okay, so the llama. Okay, there we go. And then I think I'm going to do his little feet a little darker. This is chocolate chip. I think I'll do his little hooves or whatever. And that. And then I'm going to do his scarf. I think I'm going to do it red and green striped if I can. We'll see how it looks. Yeah, I think that looks pretty cute. I might go over the green with yay. Make sure it didn't go through. Good. And then now I'm going to take this frame and put glue on it. And center him down on top. Taz, it's okay, babe. Oh, I think that turned out really cute. And I think I'm going to take my Wink of Stella and make his scarf all sparkly. And I'm kind of wondering if I shouldn't put a little bow in her hair. That's silly, but it's kind of cute. I like bows and I like sparkles and I love all these critters, so I'm going to cut this down a little bit more. And by a little bit, I mean a lot of it. So I think that's cute. I'm going to put this right here on her ear. And I can say her now because I'm making it a girl. You can make yours whatever you want. Hee hee. Fa la la llama. And that's that. Simple as pie. But really cute. I think that gave us some nice bang for our buck. So I hope you guys like it. I hope you guys try something like it. And yeah, have a very happy holiday and a Merry Christmas. I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.